Imagine the perfect collaboration of esports, robotic, and athletes. Imagine a sport that looks and feels like a game. But this is not imagination anymore. This is real, and it's called FPV drone racing. And in this episode of FuturePlay vlogs, I will take you to MultiGP Sharjah event, which will completely blow your mind. Are you ready? Let me tell you a story of the current situation. So after all of those storms, they closed some of the flights, like the airport was closed, everything was closed. Some roads are still closed. And I'm trying to get to Sharjah for MultiGP. And this is my second Uber. This one is actually coming in. So I'm kind of like, please take me there because I need to make content, okay? And I need to help them out because now they are one pilot short. I won't be flying, I will be just helping out on the simulator, but still, we need to make it happen. Okay, let's get to the venue and see how it looks like. It looks pretty promising already, so I'm excited. Every race starts with a track walk and brief for the pilots.
Does anyone have any specific questions, track obstruction related?
But once the sun is down and the LEDs are up, it's game time. The rules? Every pilot flies a spec-drone, meaning everyone has the exact same setup. Each of the pilots has only 4 drones, therefore any crashes mean necessary repairs. Each of the pilots has their own goggles and radios. Pilots fly in the groups of 4. The pilot who finishes the track the fastest is the winner of the heat and gains points to their spots. Those points will be important in the finals. The audience is entertained by a live commentator and the screens showing each one of the pilot's visions. All of this, plus the jet lag. Are you ready?
I think so. Yeah, yesterday I was trying to race when my body was thinking it was like 3 a.m. Today I slept in until past noon. So I'm going to be racing when my body thinks it's like 2 p.m.
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to be a little more fresh.
So you're winning.
I had some good moments yesterday where I was like, okay, I can hang. So hopefully with a little bit of rest, I can capitalize on that.
So it's been 7 hours since we actually came here and everyone started to get really, really hungry. So trust me when I say it, when Domino's comes in, it's so good.
This is weird.
I know. It's amazing. Just try it. You will understand any second now. How good is it?
That was some pretty well, yeah.
My name is Hassan, also known as Big Hass, and welcome to the Sharjah Drone Racing Champions. And drones are such an interesting technology. For me, it's been a beautiful experience getting to know about drone racing. Shout out to the Sharjah Government Media Bureau and MultiGP for bringing this to Sharjah. It's been beautiful.
It is a Saturday night in Sharjah as we get to do some drone racing here.
It's Killian! Say hello to Alex, FPV. From Livonia, Michigan, US of A. Say hello to, once again, to Dubicki. MCK FPV. All 4 up like a shot. First one through the high gates, Killian, then MCK, Alex FPV, and Dubicki. Into the tower they go, 4 of them coming out. And your leader right now, Killian, as we go on to lap number 3 now. 2 down, 2 to go, it's Killian. And it is deja vu all over again. Another W, another win for Killian FPV. Into that sweeper, out of the sweeper, to our checker gate. This one is going to be back to the tape. Your winner, Night Fury! A little tighter now. We're talking 10 meters. Amari ahead of Leviathan. Leviathan is about to go through our finish gate, and he does. Leviathan, your winner of match number 3. As they cheer on, your champion of match number 3, Leviathan. We are off like a shot once again. A whole shot in that first gate. Banny UK. We go through. There's your leader, Banny UK. BMS Thomas still in second. Your winner of match number 4 is Banny UK. The winning continues for the United Kingdom pilot. What a big win to advance to our match final.
After hours of racing and the leaderboard filled in, the stress and excitement hit its peak. It was finals time. And the audience couldn't be more excited. Alright, so we're getting to a city to watch the finals themselves, and we're the lucky 5 that got to see it.
Go, Tony. Handsome redemption right there. We go shot there, 4 wide at that elevated gate. Here's where you usually see a little bit of separation, and it's hard to tell right there. MC King up in the one spot, Killian right with him. Leviathan on his final lap. The green and white coming to our checker.
Every single heat would spend, you know, 1, 2, 3 within a half second or less, and like that's what you want. Crowds going wild. The MC is actually really hyping everybody up. He's doing an incredible job. So I always am cautious to say that like we're going for the next big thing in drone racing, but having these guys here, having the audience be able to be so excited about what's going on, I can't wait to see what this holds for the future of drone racing as a whole. And thanks to Sharjah for having us out.
When they said that we were going to make history, I was like, oh, everyone says that. It's never been done before. Everyone says that. Literally the largest drone racing organization community in the sport has just made history here in Sharjah. The fans came out, they were cheering loud. You can hear them all the way from the tech stand, and the pilots really showed up. The racing was neck and neck, battling with these stock drones because they're all on the same RPM levels, they're all flying the same way. The battles are so tight, and the energy, you can feel it. Man, it's incredible. If you weren't here, hopefully the live stream really gives you a sense of the scale, but the city behind us, the beautiful Sharjah skyline gave us a great backdrop. Outside, pilots are helping other community members learn to fly, because if you're not from the States, you might take it for granted that you get the ability to fly. In Sharjah in the UAE, it's illegal for not commercial operations. So it's really neat that we have this operation come here, show the Sharjah people the beautifulness of learning to fly, because we were born with feet. So we were stuck here on the ground, living life at 5 feet, maybe 4 feet, 6 feet, however tall you are. But as soon as you put those goggles on, you can see the world from a different perspective, and that is really freeing.
So that will be the end of the MultiGP Sharjah, and oh my god, that was probably one of the best races I've ever seen in my life. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and trust me, it was insane. We need more of those. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See you sometime. Bye. And once the pilots finished the race, they had some time to have fun.